Today is errand day in Paris. As you can tell, I'm dressed for the occasion, Yankee fitted, um, all black. I have on sneakers, so I am definitely prepared. We are gonna do, remember we're doing chicken and waffles at my friend's house, and we are in Saint-Germain-du-Prés. I really love this area, it's super cute. And they have a Louis Vuitton store here. I had to drop off some repairs, my luggage for Louis Vuitton, because I'm traveling this summer. Where I'm going, I don't know, but I'm traveling, I hope. So anyway, I prefer the Louis Vuitton in Saint-Germain-du-Prés because it's a bit smaller. If I want to catch the train here, I don't have to transfer a whole bunch of times. So it's just easier for me to get here. So I'll show you guys the little area of Saint-Germain-du-Prés. I think I've showed you guys before, but whatever, I'll show you again. And also you'll get to see the infamous Café Le Dumagot, where all the famous writers, American writers, have spent time in Paris. So it's really nice to see. So this is the area. It's ugly today, guys. There's a little church over here. Super small streets, which I absolutely love about Paris. That's Le Dumagot there. Usually you can get into Louis Vuitton from this side. But because of COVID, you have to use another door. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to use the door. Hopefully they'll let us film inside. If not, that's fine too. So let's see. And so here's the Le Dumagot. And they have like little teddy bears in the window. I gotta find out what's up with this little teddy bear situation everywhere. Prés has them too. They're drinking Louis Vuitton, of course. Isn't this cute? So voila. So let's go to Louis and see what they hitting for. Perfume, ready to wear is nice. Couple of bags. Shoes. This is nice there. And this is men's ready to wear.
Le deuil.
No.
Vous savez, quand une personne décède, il y a
Non,
un
non,
temps
non, non.
après.
Je
Il
suis
y
pas
a un
prête.
temps après et il faut oublier.
Je suis pas prête pour faire ça. Franchement, cette sac, c'est la meilleure cloche que vous avez fait, hein. La meilleure cloche.
Je sais. Enfin, il y en a d'autres. Hein. Qu'est-ce qu'on a fait ici?
Je pense que vous avez changé ça. Ah, magnifique. Look what they did. You guys, I had a problem with the zipper. Louis Vuitton is the best. They always stand behind their product. I had a problem with the zipper here, and they replaced the entire flap.
Ok.
Ah, magnifique.
C'est amazing, hein?
C'est amazing.
C'est amazing.
Maybe one day I'll get the leather done, but...
No, we cannot do it.
You can do this one?
No, we cannot do it.
Okay. That's all. Oh, it looks fabulous. Thank
Ah
you.
oui?
So I needed to get this fixed. You guys see how it's peeling? You guys, they cannot do anything for this bag. And I'm gonna tell you something. It is absolutely devastating. I love this clutch. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can talk to the leather spa. Maybe they can do something. So I also have it in copper. And so the copper is starting to peel, but it's not like the silver one. This one is starting a little bit here, but this one I can still wear. These were fabulous clutches, but because they were showpieces, and Louis Vuitton only keeps repair stock for 10 years, it's over. The silver, it's over. When I first noticed it, I should have brought it in, but I didn't. Damn. So I've been wanting this shawl. I absolutely love this color, and I've been wanting it for a while. I think this color is very elegant, especially since I wear a lot of brown. You just can never have too many silk shawls. So I can't really fix it because I've got the phone going on and it's just too much, but I like this a lot. I think I'm gonna take this.
Artisanat et là par exemple celui-là vous êtes sur le nacre. Un nacre bombé, ça veut dire en 3D. C'est un petit peu plus différent par rapport à ce qu'ils font les autres maisons qui c'est plate.
Oui.
Nous c'est un travail un petit peu plus exigeant. Donc c'est ça aussi que ça donne à la valeur ajoutée. Ici par exemple quelque chose plus simple, simplement notre petit fleur monogramme aussi avec les petits diamants. Vous avez aussi ici.
J'aime bien ça, c'est vraiment délicat ça.
C'est magnifique. Et vous avez un très bel accent.
Américaine.
Ah, ok.
Américaine.
Qu'est-ce que vous faites ici?
Tout le monde me dit ça. Tout le monde me dit ça.
J'ai eu des clients américains il y a un mois.
Ah bon?
Et en fait, ils sont venus parce qu'ils pouvaient, parce qu'ils sont venus pour le travail.
Ah, d'accord.
Et là, ils ont profité pour acheter pour leur épouse.
J'adore ça.
Celui-là, il est magnifique. Est-ce que vous souhaiteriez peut-être, si c'est une convient, de l'essayer et prendre des photos, pourquoi pas?
Pourquoi? On y va?
Oui,
Ok.
je vous entends.
Ok.